Hello everyone, I want to show you how to set up the CG correctly to a S800 V2 Reptile flying wing. The CG is 125 millimeters from the nose, right here in the middle of the plane. And without camera and without a battery, you see it's really tail heavy, and so it won't fly. Even if you put in the battery, it still is a bit tail heavy. So you have to put in extra wide if you are not using a camera or a FPV camera. And in the beginning I suggest you don't use it because you probably will smash it. So in order to set the CG correctly, I used screws, one of the larger screw and two of the small screws. And to give you the specs, this small screw is about 27 gram. I use two of these and one of the bigger one. This is 35 gram. And the battery itself is about 167 gram. So if you put everything together, which I'm going to do right now, and I only have to put in one screw because the other two are already inside the plane. So now, well, you see it's a little bit tail heavy, but no, actually it's good centered. So once you have done that, you can go out and fly. One good practice I had to learn the hard way is throwing the wing. I found a nice video, can't remember where, on how to grab the wing, and actually you have the best way, in my opinion, is to grab the wing like this. You put the hand under the wing like here, and then you throw it 30 or 35 degrees up in the air. Okay.